Thanks for watching Shoaib Views channel. You're watching Power Plant Basic Operator course, and we're discussing on EHS. Today topic on fire safety in power plant. In the domain of power generation, where vast quantities of electricity are produced, the significance of fire protection and firefighting strategies is monumental. Power plants present unique challenges for fire safety due to flammable materials, high temperatures, and extensive electrical systems. Power plants typically utilize varied forms of fuel such as coal, natural gas, oil, and even nuclear materials. The nature of these substances introduces a substantial risk of fire, necessitating robust fire protection measures. One of the primary means of fire prevention is through comprehensive monitoring and maintenance. Regular inspections and audits of machinery, fuel lines, and electrical connections are indispensable in ensuring potential fire hazards are identified and mitigated promptly. Among the foremost methods employed for fire suppression in power plants is the installation of automated fire sprinkler systems. These systems are strategically placed to cover zones prone to fire outbreaks, including turbine rooms, control centers, and fuel storage areas. The activation of these sprinklers is often tied to sophisticated heat detection systems, which can identify and respond to increases in temperature before a fire spreads. A properly trained firefighting team on site is essential. Given the scale and complexity of power plants, these teams must undergo specialized training to deal with potential fire scenarios specific to the plant environment. Such training includes scenarios that involve handling electrical fires, chemical fires, and situations involving radioactive materials in nuclear plants. The integration of fire retardant materials during the construction phase greatly contributes to the overall fire protection strategy. Walls, ceilings, and floors designed with these materials can significantly slow the spread of fire. Fire protection and firefighting in power plants demand a multifaceted approach that amalgamates technology, maintenance, expertise, and material sciences. The stakes, intertwined with environmental and human safety, emphasize the crucial nature of adopting comprehensive fire safety protocols to prevent catastrophic incidents. That was the today topic on fire safety in power plant. If you like this video, kindly like and share this video. Also subscribe my channel and follow it. Press the bell icon for more informative videos.